Good day, high school. So today we are going to talk about the system unit in Technology and Livelihood Education, or the TLE. So what is a system unit? High school. So the system unit, also known as the tower or chassis, is the main part of a desktop computer. It includes the motherboard, CPU, RAM, and other components. So this is the part of a system unit. So we have the power supply, CPU, fan, heatsink, video card, modem, sound card, ribbon cable, motherboard, CD-ROM, motherboard, power cords, floppy drive, zip drive, and extra case pan. Let us talk about first the floppy disk drive. A floppy disk drive, also called FDD or FD, it is a computer disk drive that enables a user to save data to removable diskettes. The next is zip drive. It is a disk drive that stores data on high-capacity removable magnetic disks, often used for data backup. Next is the power cord. A power cord, line cord, or mains cable is an electrical cable that temporarily connects an appliance to the mains electricity supply via a wall socket or extension. And next is ribbon cable. A ribbon cable, also known as multi-wire planar cable, is a cable with many conducting wires running parallel to each other on the same flat plane. As a result, the cable is wide and flat. Its name comes from its resemblance to a piece of ribbon. The next is heatsink. Heatsink is a passive heat exchanger that transfers the heat generated by an electronic or mechanical device to a fluid medium, often air or a liquid coolant, where it is dissipated away from the device, thereby allowing regulation of the device's temperature. And the next is the video card. A video card, also called a graphics card, display card, graphics adapter, or display adapter, is an expansion card which generates a feed of output images to a display device, such as a computer monitor. Next is the sound card. Sound card, also known as an audio card, is an external expansion card that provides input and output of audio signals to and from a computer under control of computer programs. The term sound or the term sound card is also applied to external audio interfaces used for professional audio applications. The next is the Central Processing Unit or the CPU. Central Processing Unit or the CPU, principal part of any digital computer system, generally composed of the main memory, control unit, and arithmetic logic unit. The next is the power cables, power supply. A power supply unit, or PSU, converts mains AC to low voltage regulated DC power for the internal components of a computer. Modern personal computers universally use switch mode power supplies. Some power supplies have a manual switch for selecting input voltage, while others automatically adapt to the mains voltage. The next is the fan. A fan is a hardware device that keeps the overall computer or a computer device cool by circulating air to or from the computer or component. The picture is an example of a fan on a heatsink. Now, high school, let us talk about a memory data storage. What is a memory data storage? Although memory is technically any form of electronic storage, It is used most often to identify fast, temporary forms of storage. If your computer's CPU had to constantly access the hard drive to retrieve every piece of data it needs, it would operate very slowly. When the information is kept in memory, the CPU can access it much more quickly. Most forms of memory are intended to store data temporarily. Okay, so now let us talk about the CD-ROM. CD-ROM, abbreviation of compact disc read-only memory, type of computer memory in the form of a compact disc that is read by optical means. A CD-ROM drive uses a low-power laser beam to read digitized binary data that has been encoded in the form of tiny bits of an optical disc. A hard disk drive. A hard disk drive, sometimes abbreviated as hard drive, HD or HDD, is a non-volatile data storage device. It is usually installed internally in a computer, attached directly to the disk controller of the computer's motherboard. It contains one or more platters housed inside of an air-sealed casing. Next is the random access memory or the RAM. Computer random access memory or RAM is one of the most important components in determining your system's performance. RAM gives applications on a place to store and access data on a short-term basis. It stores the information your computer is actively using so that it can be accessed quickly.